ships!
No! No!
Smart, that one.
I was a fool. Lead the men to the far side of the island.
Right.
Go with the men.
I think I'll stay, just in case you're thinking of doing something crazy.
I can buy them a few minutes if I give that thing someone to hunt.
Then I can double that time.
Here!
Oh, no. Every bit the boar-headed, stubborn Viking you ever were.
Fish legs, break it down.
Okay, heavily armored skull and tail made for bashing and crushing. Steer clear of both. Small eyes, large nostrils, relies on hearing and smell.
Okay, left, legs, hang in his blind spot, make some noise, keep it confused. Rough, tough, find out if it has a shot limit. Make it mad.
That's my specialty.
It's wet. Everyone knows I'm more irritating, see? Just do what I told you. I'll be back as soon as I can. Don't worry, we got it covered.
Yeah! Woo!
Troll!
Butt elf.
Bride of Grendel!
This thing doesn't have a blind spot!
There! Go help the others! Okay, hold on. It's working!
Yeah, it's working! I've lost power on the Baruchel! Stall out! Do something! I'm okay! Less okay!
I can't miss! What's wrong, buddy? You got something in your eye?
Yeah, you're the Viking.
Whoa! You got it, bud.
Hiccup! I'm sorry. For everything.
Yeah, me too.
You don't have to go up there.
We're Vikings. It's an occupational hazard.
I'm proud to call you my son.